So this time, ang given natin ay parehas ng fraction. What we're going to do, we need to apply the cross multiplication. Okay, so multiply first. We have x plus 4 over 2 is equal to 3x minus 5 over 4. So this time, ang gamitin muna natin transposition method. So multiply x plus 4 by x. Kasi nga po cross multiplication daw. So meaning, imumultiply ko anak si x plus 4 kay 4. Then is equal to, ganun din po ito, 2 times 3x minus 5. O may parenthesis tayo. Anong gagawin natin? Apply distributive property. 4 times x, 4x. 4 times 4, 16. Is equal to 2 times 3x, 6x. 2 times negative 5, negative 10. And then combine similar terms. What are similar terms? 4x and 6x. Transpose what? 6x going to the left side. Left side, what will be the sign of 6x? Okay, this will become negative. Then, ito po si 10, ito transpose. No, bring down lang siya. O, ano ililipat sa right side? 16, magiging negative. Okay, simplify. 4 minus 6, negative 2x is equal to negative, plus minus. Plus 16 plus 10. 26. What is the sign of 26? Negative. Then divide both side by negative 2. Okay, what is the value of x? Negative divided by negative? Positive. 26 divided by 2? Okay, 13. Therefore, the value of x is 13. So, check natin anak sa property of equality. Same procedure, cross multiplication, apply distributive property. Okay, ito na po yan. Then after that, subtraction property. Bakit nag-subtraction property? Kailangan ma-eliminate si positive 16. Anong additive inverse ng positive 16? Negative 16. Kaya subtraction property of equality. Kung ano yung ginawa sa left, ganun din gawin sa right side. Dito, ano ang i-eliminate? 6x. Positive to, di ba? Ano additive inverse nun? Negative. So, subtract again. Subtract both side by negative 6x. Cancel na po ito. So, anong natira dito? 4x minus 6x. And that is negative 2x. Is equal to 10, negative 10 minus 16, negative 26. Divide both side by negative 2. The answer is same pa rin. Positive 13.